Experience seamless connectivity in your Land Rover or Jaguar with this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration module. Designed to fit a range of models including Discovery 4, Evoque Freelander 2, Z, XF, and XJL. This innovative device brings the latest in-car technology to your fingertips. Say goodbye to tangled cables and enjoy the convenience of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Effortlessly connect your smartphone to your Land Rover or Jaguar's infotainment system for a streamlined and cable-free experience. Mirror your smartphone's display onto your car's screen, allowing you to navigate, make calls, send messages, and use your favorite apps without taking your eyes off the road. Designed for user-friendly installation, this CarPlay and Android Auto module allows you to upgrade your vehicle's capabilities without the need for extensive technical expertise. Enjoy the benefits of modern connectivity in just a few simple steps. Upgrade your driving experience with this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration module tailored to fit your Land Rover or Jaguar. Stay connected, entertained, and in control while on the road, making every journey a more enjoyable and connected experience.